everybody, just waiting here. We're gonna head over to Value Village. It is 30% off day today because it's Tuesday, but I ain't got no 30%. I may look senior citizen, but I ain't no senior citizen. I know all this might look like it, but I'm not. I need a facial. I need a facelift. I need some filler. I need something. Anyway, guys, I'm not hopeful today. I ain't even optimistic. I just need vlog footage. Sorry.
Kung black yan, hindi makakalas yun. Hindi black. Hindi naman black. Bahay lang. Hindi ito funny.
With this kind of plain black.
It's leather, but I'm missing that button. Okay, gross. The Pandora Case. Well, that might be worth it, just for the Pandora Case. Gonna get a little vibrator too. For today's working generation. Now you wanna work on that. That's what you wanna work on. So I think it's just worth it for that. Ooh, I like a bath bomb. Is that Lush? No, it's not Lush. They have cassette tapes.
Shoppers for today until February 22nd, all customers will receive 50% off on all vendors items, including lounge, stock, shirts, sweaters, cardigans, and outerwear. Thank you and have a good day.
Oh, Peter Thomas Roth. What is this anyway? I mean, it's not like something you can tamper with, but you don't know how long it's been inside as well. It's an expensive brand. Oh, they have Love Spell. I remember liking this before. I think it was like in the early 2000s. It smells a little different than what I remember. Okay, so all I really found is this Pandora case and this vibrator. So I might utilize the vibrator, I'm not sure yet, or I might resell it. But if I utilize it, I won't sell it, obviously, for sanitary reasons, but woohoo! Gonna have fun with myself tonight. Ooh, there's actually a pretty nice table. Cute. This is not solid. You know what, for Valentine's Day, my dream is for like a guy to get me one of these for like Valentine's. But it didn't happen this Valentine's, unfortunately. Which is fine. I understand I'm not desirable at the moment. But hopefully that will change soon enough. And then I won't be so rejected all the time. I know this doll is really expensive. This retails for like over $100. It's the For Real Pet. I don't even know if it works. But I know those are expensive. Let's look at men's windbreaker pants. I think it's really hot when guys wear like sweats and track pants, especially when it like hugs their ass. Just saying. Especially if it's like a brand name. Balera. Like a Nike or a Adidas or an Abercrombie. Ooh, look at these Adidas. And they're green. It's kind of expensive though, $16.99. I mean, I think they retail for like $40, maybe $30, I think. And this one's only $6.99. These look kind of interesting, except, I don't know. I don't have anybody to play with. Except myself.
Yeah, you can put that in your first one.
Really busy here today. I actually can use the spray bottle, so for $1.99 you get like a spray bottle, Pandora Case, and a vibrator. Score! Okay guys, so we're just coming from Value Village. That's all I got was that Pandora case and that vibrator and that spray bottle. So I can actually utilize a spray bottle for my plants because I do have plants at home that need watering from time to time, aside from other things that need watering. But yeah, so it was just kind of like a lame kind of day today. I mean, at least I have a vlog for you bitches, okay? Hey guys, Miss Philly. Okay, so we came from Value Village. We're going to do a frickin' cheap ass, nothing kind of haul. My crazy ass neighbor is like literally like walking in front of me. I hope she. It was $1.99, so it was like $2.10 after the taxes. That's right, biatch. Don't walk near my car, because I will cut you. They're my horrible, like, neighbors. That one. Number one, we got, like, a spray bottle, which I can utilize for my plants. It looks a little rough, but it's fine. Hopefully it works. Doesn't smell like anything. Ooh, my little vibrator! Yay! Let's see if it works. It's new. Okay, it's new, so that's good. Ooh.
So scandalous.
It works fine. It works fine. And the last thing we got was this Pandora little case. Oh, it's missing something. Is it? It's missing the cushion! It's missing the cushion! It's kind of annoying. It's missing the cushion. But whatever. It's a little Pandora case. Whatever. It's only basically... I paid basically like 30... No. Like 70 cents each for each item. Whatever. Whatever. Okay, whatever. It's cute. Anyway, that's what we got. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. And thank you for all the comments. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate it. I'm so thankful for all your support. I have my Patreon on the down bar. Please send me some money. All your money. Please send it to me. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Was the footage good?